Absolutely a big difference. And what I meant when I said that was that very few companies, when faced with serious technology disruption, this so-called chasm, very few companies that are incumbent leaders make it across that chasm. Okay, and I happen to have a front row seat at Netflix, where I've been a director for close to 20, lucky enough to be a director for close to 20 years. I've had a front row seat of watching Reed Hastings and the leadership team at Netflix actually cross the chasm from DVDs to streaming, and do so in a way that I think surprised a lot of people. And now a second jump they've made is into creation of original content. And I basically likened the transition, the kind of market expansion that Zillow is going through right now, where we've got this huge, profitable incumbent business with this trusted brand. And we're saying, all right, there is a technology disruption happening, and we've got to be the ones to build the bridge across the chasm and get to the other side. And that's why we are going so hard and so aggressively, but in a prudent way, at the new opportunity, and it's going extremely well.
Do you think even further a step forward about other avenues you could go into with mortgages, other aspects? Yeah,
it turns out that the house transaction is the hub of a series of really big, important, and potentially profitable transactions. Getting the mortgage, the title, the escrow, moving, telecommunication services, all this happens and changes and is keyed off of the house transaction. And we are making investments in most of these businesses, specifically mortgages, title, and escrow right now, and creating an integrated digital platform so that one day, the dream is that we dream one day of you having kind of almost a trade-in experience with your house, where you're standing in a house, a Zillow offers house that we own. You've been there 15 times. You've let yourself in with the Zillow app. We know who you are and where you live. We've already have a mortgage ready to go. We have an offer ready for your house when you're ready to transact, and you, with one click, can decide to move.
You don't want to have a fat thumb at that moment if you didn't mean to do it.
Be careful. There'll be ways to back up.